We're going to take a look at our special right triangles one more time. So we're going to review both the 30, 60, 90 and the 45, 45, 90 triangle. So for both of these, you should find the side that you have. And then you should ask yourself, do you have n, 2n, or n squared of 3? Look at the location of the angles. So we're just going to go over a bunch of examples today. Let's take a look at the first one. It's 45, 45, 90, and I can tell that because two sides are the same. And if two sides are the same, then this side is also 11. And this side will be 11 square root of 2. So again, you can refer back to the triangle at the top of the page if you forget what they equal. All right, the next one over here, again, 45, 45, 90 triangle. So you ask yourself, do you have n or n squared of 2? And this equals n squared of 2. So you can clearly see once you write this out that they both have a square root of 2, so n must be 4. And that would be these two sides right here. So this side is 4, this side is also 4. Okay, next triangle. Again, 45, 45, 90, it looks like all of these are. So this side would be 23, and this side would be 23 square root of 2. All right, this number 4, this side would be 24. This would be 24 square root of 2. The hypotenuse is always crossed on the longest side. All right, 5 and 6 are slightly different. They give you the hypotenuse. So for this side right here, we have 8 equals n squared of 2. How do you get rid of the square root of 2? Well, you divide. And then we're just going to leave it like that. So that's what n equals. So this is 8 over the square root of 2. And so is this one. Likewise, we do that here. We have 10 equals n squared of 2. We're going to divide each side by the square root of 2. And that's what n equals. So each of these sides are 10 over square root of 2. All right, let's take a look at them 30, 60, 90 triangles. You got your sides. Figure out what you have and what you need. So here between the 60 and the 90, that's n. 2n is between the 30 and the 60, so this is 34. And the last side is n squared of 3. Again, n is 17, so we have 17 squared of 3. All right, the second one over here, we have between the 30 and the 60, that's 2n. So if we have 30 equals 2n, divide each side by 2. So n is 15. And that goes between the 60 and the 90. And the last side is n squared of 3, so 15 square root of 3. Let's look at number 9 and 10. So number 9 we have between the 30 and the 60. So again we have 100 equals 2n. Divide by 2 here. So n is 50. And that's going to go between the 60 and the 90. So this is 50. And the last side is 50 square root of 3. All right, for the next one, this is between the 60 and the 90. That's n. So 2n between the 60 and the 30, that's 22. And the last side is 11 square root of 3. We got 11 and 12 here, last two. This time we have 10, and 10 is between the 90 and the 30. So 10 equals n squared of 3. Divide each side by the square root of 3. And that goes between the 60 and the 90 right here. So this is 10 over square root of 3. And if we double that, we just double the number not inside the radical. So this side is 20 over the square root of 3. And last one here, again, we have the 5 is between the 30 and the 90. So that equals n squared of 3. Divide each side by the square root of 3, and you get n. That goes between the 60 and the 90. So this is 5 over the square root of 3. And for the hypotenuse, you just double it. Double the number not under the radical. So today you practice finding, do you have n, 2n, n squared of 3, or n squared of 2? And you finish solving for the triangle.